Hello sir, where are you from?
I am from Bangalore, Karnataka, India.
How was the experience at Charmi Chicken Sir?
The food was extremely great. I had a very good buttery feeling in my stomach now. I feel butterful.
Service.
Service A1. He was very nice. आपका जो आदमी है.
मैम आप क्या करते हैं?
Madam, please.
Hi.
How was the experience at Charmi Chicken, madam?
Sorry?
How was the experience at Charmi Chicken?
Experience, amazing experience. I love the food. I loved everything about it. The service, the ambiance, the people, very friendly. You see, I've come all over from Spain to try this charming chicken, and I really loved it. And I would advise everybody to come here.
Thank you, ma'am.
You said it all in one. Hi, I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia, and the food here is excellent. The service is really good. It's very entertaining, so definitely do come and try.
Thank you.
This is my second time in 2 days, so you get an idea of how good the butter chicken and the garlic naan is.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, great food, and yeah, we've come here for the second time, and we'll recommend it to everyone back home.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Welcome to Charmi Chicken.
Thank you.